time now. Away they go. Soul Provider from the outside Hepburn. Moving up down on the inside is Dragon King. Then comes Regal Chief Speed to Riches. Ding-a-ling-a-ling is racing 6, running 7. Dream Tower, Devil Rising, Living for Love. And King Aljun is the early trailer. Soul Provider, followed by Dragon King by Darrell. Regal Chief racing in third by Sam Forlines Hepburn. Ding-a-ling-a-ling is Speed to Riches. Rounding the far turn, Soul Provider via Lincoln up. Dragon King running in second. Regal Chief racing in third by Sam two lengths. Ding-a-ling-a-ling racing in fourth, running fifth Hepburn. Dream Tower Speed to Riches as they race the final corner. Soul Provider, Regal Chief down on the inside. Dragon King racing from the outside. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Entering the last 200 meters more to run. Regal Chief and Soul Provider fighting it out for the lead. Dragon King racing from the outside. It's now Dragon King from the outside. Regal Chief and finally Dragon King. Regal Chief, Soul Provider close with Ding-a-ling-a-ling, Hepburn, Dream Tower, Living for Love, Devil Rising, Speed to Riches, and King Aljun comes last.